What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Cryptopolis. This ICO focus on letting people know about scam in the crypto world, scam on the internet. It plans to help people to avoid scam. And if you are into cryptocurrency for a year or for 2 and you have not been scammed, I believe you are just coming. I have been scammed myself, and I can tell you I was scammed big time. Not in one ICO, not in 2 ICOs. I have been scammed before, and virtually everyone who invests in cryptocurrencies have been scammed by scams, ICOs, even exchange, cryptocurrency exchange, scam people, the Etsy scam. Now, let's scroll down the website and see the website. Website is nice. Consider investors and partner. Regard Technical University, they partner with Regard Technical University, and there's a video on the YouTube channel that shows that OS Forestic, Crowd for Angels, and all the rest. You can read about them on Cryptoverse, on Steemit, on Bitcoin Talk, on Forbes. And these are the team members. Then it's Elizabeth, Joan Otero, then Karaskisos, and all the rest. Yeah, you can find them. These are the advisors, and this is the team member Arthur Rasnazik, Maxim Kuzmi, Mikos Lausanne, and all these guys. Yeah, this is the roadmap. It started the elected in 2017 in Q1, and you can see different stages of the project. Now, let me show you about the ICOs a little more. And they have a written here on ICO bench. OFCR is a token. The price here is 0.55 cents and 6 cents for the ICO. The platform is based on Ethereum, and they accept Ethereum BTC. The minimum investment is 0.1 Ethereum, which is around $23 or $25. And the soft cap is $2 million US, while the hard cap is $27 million US. The country that based in Estonia, and you need a KYC and you need to get whitelisted to get involved in this ICO. And if you are from US, Afghanistan, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Guyana, Iraq, Laos, People's Democratic Republic, Syria, Uganda, Vanuatu, Yemen, Iran, North Korea, and China, you cannot be involved in this ICO at all. You can't be involved in this ICO. Now, let's also get to the white paper. The white paper is 37 page, fully stock and well packed together. You can see all those what is all about, all the project. And I strongly recommend you to go through the white paper, read about the white paper, and I will let you know about. And now, in fact, let me show you something here on the Twitter page that shows you what I've always been saying over and over again. It says Cryptopolis. A white paper typically is an information document that is written by a company to promote or to highlight the features of a solution, products, or service. In this article, you can read about and recognizing the scam project through white paper research. The white paper of an ICO tells a lot about an ICO, and through that you're able to know if an ICO is a scam or if it's a real. And I will encourage you go through this and read this yourself. Now, before I leave the Twitter page, there are 12.1 thousand followers. This is huge. This is awesome. I love this. And let's check the Telegram. 12,976 members on the Telegram. Now, you want to know, is Cryptopolis who hope to fight scam, are they scam themselves? And I can tell you, no, they are real people. And it's what I love about ICOs. When people themselves, when they show themselves, I love this. So let's check this out.
We are a small, full-stack team of developers and IT professionals. We have worked together for over 5 years. After I came to crypto world, I was shocked. Scam was everywhere, just like a virus. Being an IT professional didn't save me. I was deceived. This pushed me to find a solution. And now we are developing something really significant.
The main issue is that scam isn't just in crypto, it's all around the internet. Just look around. The amount of victims is enormous. We believe that we as developers have what it takes to roll out an innovative platform and change the way people fight scam.
The real power of crypto.
So you can find them, you can see them. These are real crypto police is real. And let's see the videos here. There are so much videos here. You can see many of them here. You can find them here. So these guys are real. So we need this. We need an institution and a project, a startup that can fight scam in cryptocurrency. Let people know that there's scam and how to save themselves from scam. When people get robbed of their money, add any money, and there are a lot of persons who come from underdeveloped countries in Africa, in Asia, in Latin America, who get involved in cryptocurrencies. They want to change their life forever. They want to support the blockchain technology. But scammers comes and rob them of their money. And this one choose not to be involved in cryptocurrency again. We need to end that. So support the crypto police project, sign up, get whitelists, and join the ICO. But do not forget anything I said. This video is strictly my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence and make your decision. I love you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so that when I bring in more videos, you'll be among the first to watch my video. I love you guys. I love you a million times. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.